Phaeton takes us to the local marketplace to show us how cough syrup is being sold and used on the street.
Here, left.
For the sake of these guys, maybe they don't want their place to be out. So we'll get into the bar, then someone will just come and drink, then you can see.
Soon, we're surrounded by young guys drinking Bronclear.
We do it like this.
Okay. That's how
Each and every
you can see.
The guys are already high. When you drink a lot of cough syrup every day, it can cause your teeth to rot and fall out. So to protect their teeth, they pour the liquid directly into their throats.
How long does it take until you feel
Something like 20 minutes.
It's for half a day.